In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a VPN for your Apple TV using Nordvpn. Many of us enjoy unwinding with our favorite shows on Apple TV, but navigating internet restrictions or protecting your privacy can sometimes be challenging. A VPN can make this much easier by masking your location and encrypting your data. Let's walk through the setup process step by step, ensuring your experience is smooth and hassle-free. First, you'll want to visit the Nordvpn website, which provides access to one of the fastest VPN services available. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in nordvpn.com/download. Once you're there, you should see an option to log in. If you already have an account, feel free to access it right away. For those who may have forgotten their credentials or are just setting up an account, skip any concerns for now, as Nordvpn's website makes it easy to retrieve or create an account as required. Once logged in, look for the Account Overview section. It should be straightforward to locate under your profile settings on the top menu. Here, you'll manage your active subscriptions and services. Navigate over to this section, and you'll find a handy overview of your current account details and options to manage your plan. Next, tap on Downloads. This is where you'll get access to the various applications and solutions offered by Nordvpn. On the Downloads page, look specifically for the option for VPN solution for Smart TV. Selecting this will lead you to the necessary information to proceed with installing Nordvpn directly onto your Apple TV. You should see a section labeled TV OS. This is where the Apple TV-specific installation files reside. Go ahead and click on it, as this will guide you through downloading the correct application optimized for your device's operating system. As always, make sure your Apple TV is connected to the internet during this process to prevent any interruptions. Now your download is complete. You will simply begin the installation as per the instructions on your screen. It's quick and relatively straightforward, with prompts guiding you step by step. Once installed, log into your Nordvpn account through the newly added app on your Apple TV. You should now have a fully configured VPN setup. With this, you're capable of accessing geo-locked content and improving your viewing privacy on Apple TV. As a tip, periodically checking for Nordvpn app updates can ensure you're always protected with the latest security features. Congratulations on successfully setting up a VPN on your Apple TV. Enjoy your newfound flexibility and security while streaming your favorite content. If you have any problems, Nordvpn's customer support is just a click away to help resolve your queries. Thank you for tuning in, and happy streaming!